I'm showing you exactly how to handle a 500 internal server error on Canva so you can get back to your creative work without losing your progress. When you see this specific error message, it indicates that something has gone wrong on Canva's backend servers. The important thing is to understand that this usually isn't a problem with your specific design or your computer, but rather a temporary breakdown in how Canva's office is talking to your browser. The first step you should take is to check the official Canva status page. You can find this by searching for Canva status in your search engine. If that page shows a red bar or an active incident, you simply have to wait. In my case, I found that trying to force a save during a server outage can lead to more frustration. So if the status page shows an error, take a break and come back later. If the status page looks green and healthy, the next step is to perform a hard refresh. On your keyboard, hold down the Shift key and click the reload icon in your browser. This forces the browser to bypass its saved memory and ask the server for a completely fresh version of the site. Now, that goes both ways. While a refresh can fix a temporary glitch, it might also cause you to lose any unsaved changes you made in the seconds before the error appears. If a refresh doesn't solve it, we need to look at your browser's stored data. You'll want to go into your browser settings and scroll down to where it says Privacy and Security. Click on the section for Clearing Browsing Data. You need to select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Once you click Clear Data, you should restart your browser entirely. The trade-off here is that you will be logged out of Canva and most other websites, so you'll need to have your login credentials ready to get back in. Sometimes the 500 error is specific to the browser you are using. I recommend opening an incognito or private window to see if the error persists. If Canva works in incognito, it means one of your browser extensions is likely causing the conflict. You can also try switching to a different browser entirely, such as moving from Chrome to Firefox or Safari. If the site works there, the issue is definitely localized to your main browser's profile. If you find that the error only happens when you try to open one specific project, you should back out of that file and go to your main dashboard. Hover over the thumbnail of the problematic design, click the three dots in the corner, and select the option to make a copy. Try opening the copy instead. This works because it creates a fresh entry on the server that might not have the same corrupted data as the original file. Finally, check your internet connection. A shaky Wi-Fi signal can sometimes drop the connection mid-request, which the server misinterprets as an internal error. If you are on a laptop, try toggling your Wi-Fi off and back on, or plug in an Ethernet cable for a more stable result. You can also try using your phone as a mobile hotspot to see if a different network resolves the block. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.